You're also facing the problem where LSASS is using high RAM and disk on Windows 11. Your PC slows down, programs freeze, or the system becomes unresponsive. I was also facing the same issue, and it was really frustrating because it made normal tasks almost impossible. This usually happens when there's a corrupted user profile, malware infection, or issues with Windows authentication services. Sometimes outdated drivers or recent updates can also cause LSASS to consume too much memory and disk. Most solutions online are complicated. They tell you to edit registry keys, run long command line scripts, or reinstall Windows, which is confusing and risky. I tried several of those, and many didn't work. After testing myself, I found a simple trick that actually works. Scanning for malware, repairing corrupted system files with SFC and DISM, and checking user accounts fixed it completely. After that, LSASS runs normally, RAM and disk usage are back to normal, and the system works smoothly. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how I fixed LSASS high RAM and disk usage on Windows 11, comment down below. This is LSASS.exe.